In this lecture, we will see what Zapier is, how it helps us build AI agents, and learn how it can be integrated with GPTs. Now, Zapier is a powerful automation tool that simplifies workflows by connecting different apps and services. And we can do this without requiring any coding skills. It has a simple, easy-to-use interface in which we can build workflows with drag and drop features and configuring the required settings. Zapier also provides enough support documentation with examples to show us how to build and fix automated workflows. The process starts with a trigger, which is an event in one app that kicks off the workflow. Once the trigger occurs, Zapier performs an action, which is the task it carries out in another app. By automating repetitive tasks, Zapier helps save time and boosts productivity. Plus, it connects to over 5,000 third-party apps and offers a staggering 30,000 plus automated actions. Zapier's AI Actions enables developers to integrate its vast library of over 20,000 app actions and searches into AI platforms or custom solutions. This tool brings the power of Zapier's automation capabilities to our preferred AI system. Imagine your AI system sending Slack messages, finding events in Google Calendar, drafting Gmail replies, or even creating leads in HubSpot, all without you having to code these integrations yourself. The beauty of this system lies in its simplicity. You provide a natural language command, and the AI takes care of executing the appropriate action. It is that straightforward. But the real kicker is that AI Actions eliminates one of the biggest headaches in integration, that is, dealing with authentication and APIs. All of that complex stuff is handled by this system. So you don't have to wrestle with, say, OAuth or API documentation of different apps. In essence, AI Actions is bridging the gap between the vast world of app integrations and the power of AI, making your AI systems more capable and versatile than ever before. Now, let's explore where we can actually use AI Actions. The great news is that it is supported natively on several key platforms. First up, we have ChatGPT and the GPTs. If you are working with these technologies, you can easily equip your GPTs with AI action capabilities. This opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your AI's functionality. Next, there is Zapier itself. You can leverage AI actions directly within your Zaps, which are Zapier's automated workflows. Plus, if you are a Chrome user, you can access AI actions right from your browser using Zapier Chrome extension. For those of you who need more customized solutions, that is covered too. You can build private integrations directly with AI actions using Zapier's REST API. Zapier ensures security with API keys, so you can integrate with confidence. The versatility of AI actions across these platforms means we can implement this powerful tool wherever it fits best in our workflows or development process. In this course, we will focus on invoking Zapier AI actions with custom GPTs. Now, let's look at the platform and see how to build these powerful AI actions.